Okay, good day guys, Drone Page here. So another test again with this new version, the version 1.12.3. Okay, so we will check the range if they improve. So this is my Mini 2. So this version guys support the Mini 4 Pro about the 120 meters altitude, okay, in Europe. So let's gonna test in our Mini 2. So I'll check the range here guys because this area is good for me. So it's hard to test because it's start winter in Croatia, Europe, and it's hard to fly because sometimes foggy, sometimes no sun, raining, and it's cold guys. So let's gonna check guys. Okay, so we are here at the bridge. We will check around here guys, the range test. Okay, so this is my version 1.12.3. I'm using the DJI Mini 2. So let's go guys and check the range if have an issues or not, okay? So let's go guys and test it. Let's go.
Takeoff. Home point updated. Battery level is low. Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds. Return
So
to
we
home.
reached around 3,413 meters, guys, with this version. And as you see, my RC never disconnected. So this update is good for me. Thumbs up. I'm only low battery, but I think I can push more. But it's enough, guys. The 3 kilometers is enough for me. Okay? Okay, so this is now our Mini 2. And it's return to home in a smooth way. So I think I don't have any issue with my Mini 2, okay, in this new update. So you can watch also my range test before, guys, with the stock, okay. I reached around 4,007 meters, okay. So thanks, and please do subscribe, guys. Till next time, bye bye.